Good morning to you. I thought I would take you on a classic day in the life today. We have several things we want to get done outside. We're finally getting really warm and consistently warm weather here. At least that's how it seems like it's going to be. And so we're going to be moving to outside stuff, which I'm so excited about. We get this new fresh energy each year whenever it gets warm, and I get excited about just creating outdoor spaces. So the first place we're going to focus is the front porch area. Now, of course, I'm thinking it's gonna take 2 seconds. We're gonna rip out the old step in the concrete and we're gonna build stairs and it's all gonna happen today. I mean, that's the kind of stuff I think. But actually, while Luke is working on homeschooling the older 3 kids today, I have the 3 little boys, and we're gonna head to a town about 20 minutes away to pick up something from a rental shop that is going to help us to jackhammer the concrete. Luke said that's probably about the extent of the work we'll get done today. I'm gonna take you along with what we are cooking and with that process. And also, we did receive the vintage door that we had made specially for the cottage. So this morning, we made our breakfast pizzas. This has become a favorite in our house. When I first wake up, before I get my coffee, I put a couple of cast iron skillets in the oven to preheat. And then whenever I'm done having my coffee, I add fed sourdough starter, I had starter I fed the morning before, so it sat out 24 hours, fully fermented. Micah, you're not strapped in yet. I thought you were strapped in. A little olive oil and salt, and then I bake those for a bit before adding the toppings. Now, the new secret weapon for the pizzas are the roasted red peppers that I made in one of my recent vlogs. That just takes them completely over the top. So I did roasted red peppers, red onions, some ham, cheese, cheddar cheese. Oh, and then I put on some eggs and just allow it to bake for about 10 minutes. The goal is to make the yolks runny still. If they're not runny, it's really not that good, but if they spill out onto the pizza, it's just the best. For lunch today, I did get some sourdough bread going yesterday, so I'm gonna bake that. We probably are just gonna have an easy sandwich lunch so that we can keep working on outside stuff. And then I'm actually not sure what we're gonna have for dinner, but I'll be taking you along. We'll be making something good, I'm sure of it. All right, we're gonna head to town to get some rental supplies, and hopefully when school is over this morning, we will get some things done outside. We got our cow, June, back from my friend Stephanie's. As you remember, or if you remember, she went there to be bred, and she's due in September. And we're still working on the fencing. So I finally have her halter trained enough to move her around the property and tie her up, and she's very excited about all the grass. You gals are jealous, I know it, but we bought some electric fencing for the goats, so they will be out soon too, regardless of the fencing being finished. So we had a bit of an issue with our original fence builder. Let's just say that he's not gonna finish the job. So we finally got somebody new on it, and hopefully hopefully, if nothing else, Luke and I will just drop all things business, and it's almost summer break for homeschool, and we'll just put our own minds to it because we know we can do it. It's just the time. But hopefully our new guy works out and we actually can get all of these animals out on all of this green that we have that we can't really utilize without fencing. So. I mean, I know it was like the most weather resistant wood, that's why they had me go with the mahogany.
Well, that's why you spend a lot for it. But still, yeah.
The screen easily pops out for painting though, so that'll be nice.
Oh,
it just all pops right out.
Well, it's nice.
It looks nice.
Inches? I guess not.
But will it fit?
Will it?
If it fits, I'm gonna be really shocked. Just because. I'm definitely not gonna be able to hold this up.
Okay, well let's
like steady. I think that's too high.
Too much. Alright.
Oh no!
About them because it's like they're sprung or something.
Hmm.
Like they're not.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if it's sitting right.
I think I'm gonna have to forget my plan because it's too pretty. It ended up getting really hot today, so I changed into a dress. This is the first time this season, so I'm really excited. Luke is still cleaning up all of the jackhammering that he did. It's quite a mess, and so all the boys are out there and the girls. And I'm going to get busy making dinner. I'm going to do my sourdough skillet, but with a Mexican flair. So I'm going to do onions, garlic, sweet corn. I'm gonna top Luke's and mine with jalapenos. We got sauerkraut, so there'll be that sourdough topping. And then I'm also going to do ground beef. So it'll be sort of like a taco skillet. It's just, we love tacos, but it's gonna be easier to eat than tacos. I also have some fresh salsa. Anytime I can pick up fresh salsa, I prefer it. I have a favorite kind that I like from the Good and Gather brand. It's just so good. I go to Target just to get this salsa. And then I'm also going to add some of my roasted red peppers. So it should be pretty delicious. If you aren't familiar with this recipe, the full recipe is on my blog, farmhouseonboone.com. You can search sourdough skillet. I'll also leave a link down in the description box below. You can make it 10 different ways. You can make it shepherd's pie style. They even have a free ebook that has all the different options. You can get that free ebook right to your inbox by visiting bit.ly/sourdough skillet ebook. I'll have 5 different variations. This is a great meal staple that you can do any night of the week, all through the summer. And this little guide will help you to not get sick of it.